Hi besties, today's recipe is okra stew. If you want to learn a shortcut way to prepare your okra stew at home, then this video is for you. Let's dive into this video together. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients we are going to need for our okra recipe. So we will need our beef, this is cow beef, and some crabs. Okay, this is tuna. All right, so just feel free to use your favorite proteins for these recipes. We have some cured fish right here, that is momoni aka ajimai, and then we have onions, habanero peppers, some tomatoes and okra. Okay, we have some stockfish right here which is being soaked in water. This is kako, and we have some jute leaves, ayoyo or ademe. Okay, that's what we are going to use for this okra recipe. But as we are going on, I'll show you some more ingredients. So in a clean pot, I'll go ahead and add my clean beef. Okay, add 1 cube of garlic and ginger paste, and then some beef seasoning, some water, and stir to combine. Okay, after you've stirred, just go ahead and add a little water and transfer this onto your stove. Okay, so let's go ahead and prep our tuna. So make sure you take away every unwanted part you don't want in this fish. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking or removing everything that I don't want in this fish, and I'll go ahead and slice them, okay, anyhow you want it. So let's check our beef. It is really cooking very well, so we will check again and then add our crabs, okay, to make sure that it also absorbs some of the juice from the meat. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and blend our vegetables. So this is my habanero pepper, my onions, and then tomatoes. So if you've been watching my recipes, you know when it comes to okra, I blend everything together. So those are okra, so I'll go ahead and chop it and blend it in my chopper. Okay, those are our garden eggs which has been sliced already. So I'll go ahead and cook everything together, the 3 of them. I'll cook it together, add some water, cover it, and then transfer this onto your stove. Okay, because those are cured fish, the one I showed you earlier, the kako and then the momoni. So in a hot oil, I'll go ahead and add sliced onions followed by the cured fish. It will cook for about 2 minutes. Then I'll go in with my tomato mix. Okay, then I'll go in with my garlic and ginger paste, leave it to cook for about 6 minutes, and then I'll introduce my proteins. Okay, so at this point you're going to leave it to cook for about 5 minutes, then go in with your seasoning cube and then some salt. Use your favorite spice. Okay, so after 5 minutes I'll go ahead and add my cooked okra. Okay, and then that is it. Let it cook for about 2 minutes, and then go in with your onions and turn off your stove. That is all. I told you, right? This is a shortcut way of cooking okra stew. If it's your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe and then don't go. My returnees, you are also welcome. My subscribers, I love you so much. My followers on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, I love you guys so much. Keep supporting me. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.